Live!
Hello!
Ay, naka. Stress.
Okay na sana, okay na. Sana.
Daming setbacks. Mistakes and failures.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Pupunta na kami kay Rica. Dami nangyaring setbacks and mistakes. Failure. That's our theme for today. For today's episode.
Nice video.
Today's video. We're going to Rica's house. Susunduin na namin siya. Tapos uli sila Jaggy at Jacob, the brothers.
Sa natin. Dapat mga sister din na tayo. Na si Rica, malapit na.
Girl!
Hello! Grabe nangyari. Diyos ko.
Oo nga, girl.
Oo
Yung
nga,
porter din natin. Sige,
Kaya
6:30.
nga, nakakainis eh.
Bakit nga ba? Ano nangyari? Diskarga kayo? Baka may naiwan din bukas na ilaw, gano'n.
Wala nga eh. Ang ano doon, sabi, baka daw grounded. Sobrang. Ito nga episode 2.
traumatizing.
Sobrang daming failure.
Yun nga, di ba?
Sobra. Pinaramdam talaga sa amin.
Na-realize na namin nasaan na kayo. Sabi niya, failures, yung
Setbacks.
episodes natin. Tapos
Oo.
parang, what? Umpisa pa lang,
Team na
paalis
team,
pa
ha?
lang eh.
Team na team sa episode daw, wag ganun.
Biglang sira agad eh.
Excited na legit. Sobra excited na ako.
Sabi ko nga, talaga to may potential talaga.
Ba't yung talented?
Yung
Uy!
extra natin, girl.
Extra.
Nakakatuwa.
Extra Diyos.
May mga... Uy, grabe ko.
Uy, iba yun na! Iba yung inaan ni Rica, lo!
Eh.
Uy!
Alam mo, mas masarap, mas madali pag sa side mirror ka nakatingin.
Yun nga eh.
May another advice si Rica.
Oo.
Nilalagay ko yan sa edit ulit.
Kasi hindi, ako, ewan ko lang, hindi accurate kasi sa likod ako titingin, mas accurate sa side.
Same.
Yun ang ginagawa ko na po,
Same.
ma'am.
Legit yun. Ay, ba't may dig?
Okay,
Sound effects.
Free sound effects by Rica Bolinero.
Espejo.
Ay, espejo.
Rica
Malang espejo.
First episode 2 na, hindi pa rin nakapaniwala si Rica.
Lalagay ko yun.
Episode 50 ha, hindi ka pa rin nakapaniwala.
Alam mo, kung karapat na talaga magkakadugo tayo kasi basta may similarities tayo sa mga likes.
May something talaga.
No.
Oo, may
Alam mo
something.
yung parang, shit, gusto natin pare-parehas tayo.
Jeggy and Jacob, asa na kayo? Natapat na namin kayo ng bahay. Eh, okay.
Ito na
Hindi,
naman tayo.
tingnan mo na.
Nagsabi
Oh,
ng
sige.
stay dal.
Ano?
Uy! Ano Tagalog nun?
Ano, ito? Ano ba?
Hindi, tingnan mo muna sa labas. Tingnan mo sa labas.
Ayop
Hindi,
Uy, tinanong ko lang kung ano ang Tagalog ng slay, ha?
Check na yung ano.
Sa ML yun, may, diba, may ganun.
Let's go! Nakakatawa talaga ngayon eh. Nakakatawa eh.
Daming ano.
Ang daming eme. Nakaka-stress. Unang-una yung nasira yung ayaw mag-start.
Inano.
Bakit tayo mag-start kanina, Ham?
Noong una kasi, pinuksin in-start ko, may gumanon.
Oh.
Tapos inano ko ulit kasi baka hard starting na siya eh. Tinry ko ulit another time. Ayaw na.
Ayaw, no. Ilang
Hindi ko
click
tinuloy.
na siya. Ayun, umukay naman. Nag-spark pa kanina, no? Kasi mali
Hindi
yung...
marunong mag-ano.
Uy,
Wag mo isama. Wag mo isama. Wag mo isama.
girl, parang may apoy-apoy na talaga kanina, diba?
Wala, buti hindi.
yun.
Uy,
Baka mali dun sa ano.
Yung sabi ko sa'yo. Yun.
Oh my gosh.
Wait lang, road rage.
Sa kaliwa, nagalit sa'yo yung nasa kanan.
Road
Dami
rage.
nangyayari. My God.
Okay lang yan, chill.
Chill.
Chill ka lang. Grabe, parang minanifest natin yung podcast episode natin ngayon. Ang weird, sobrang weird.
Daming failures.
Yeah.
And mistakes. Eh, maganda kasi dito parang,
Kaya nga ako.
go with the flow lang tayo sa
Oo,
convo
wag yung
natin. Walang,
kabahan.
walang mapapressure.
Ako naman, yung pinakatakutan ko, yung failures personally dito sa podcast natin. Yun yung one of the fears ko talaga. Pag nag-start na kasi ako meron akong kinumit na isang bagay. Tapos, yung pinakatakutan ko yung mag-fail, ganyan. Ang dami mo nang in-invest na time, energy, fail lang, di ba?
Yung mga mistakes saka failures mo na pinakaayaw na experience mo?
Kasi
Sa
parang-
mga downfall mo, ganyan.
Maaano mo yun, yung naaalala mo talaga, yung memorable na mistakes.
Oo.
Sa akin, sinabi ko lang sa akin yung parang future na overthink ko lang na
Ay, na-anxiety kapag dating
Oo,
sa...
oo na parang ang dami dami na namin in-invest dito. I mean, hindi lang physically, hindi lang sa material things, pati rin sa emotional, ganyan.
Spiritual.
Ate, tawa ka na.
Uy!
Sorry po.
Madidis tayo.
So, ayun, parang...
Baka makancel tayo, B!
Slay na.
Slay
Slay the
na.
moment.
Slay.
Slay the
Hoy,
moment.
hoy.
O, hindi naman yun. Slay the moment.
Oo nga, tama.
Hindi
na tuloy slay mo the na.
L word.
Ano yun? Slay the love? Ay.
Yes.
Corny.
Slay
Walang
the
sense.
love.
Ang quote po natin
Yun.
for today ay
Slay the...
Slay the love.
Tuloy na ang mistakes.
Yun nga, mistakes na failure natin na hindi matuloy yung podcast. So, ang ano talaga natin, yun nga, consistent tayo sa pag-upload. Parang gawin natin ano siya talaga, legit talaga na
Kaya naman.
Hindi naman, ayoko naman na ma-pressure tayo na parang required siyang gawin,
Oo.
gano'n.
Commitment ba?
Oo, commitment talaga.
Kaya natin
Kasi
yun.
ito parang baby natin to parang gano'n.
Hindi
Tayo
lang siya,
nag-create.
hobby.
Creators.
Parang
Anak natin lahat.
I mean, kung
Yeah.
yun yung yata ko, di mag-workout. Pero kung di mag-workout, at least nag-enjoy tayo.
Tama.
Yun
Pero
yung-
mag-workout to.
Oo, yun lang yung mga anxieties ko na sa failure ng podcast natin. Pero
Sobrang-
hindi ko pa na, parang hindi pa natin masusukat talaga kung success rate niya. Kaya yun yung naisip ko sa first
Kaya yan.
topic na failures and mistakes, ganyan.
Siguro simula bata pa, puro mistakes na, pero doon kasi ako natuto eh.
Tama.
Siguro kasi yung pinaka-biggest mistake ko yung
Hindi
ako nagtapos ng pag-aaral.
Wow.
Masyado akong caught up sa situation na parang rebellious stage. Kasi nga, di ba, doon ako
Hindi
parang
mo ba parang
tumigil.
hindi ka aware na parang malaking impact sa'yo yun?
Sobrang, hindi noon, kasi parang easy go lucky ako kasi, di ba,
Oo.
okay naman kami, ganyan.
Oo.
Namatay si mami,
Oo.
doon nagkandalage-lege na lahat. Parang doon ako tumigil. Parang kasi, kaya ako wala nang gana, parang, alam mo yung iba yung pakiramdam pag namatayan ka ng nanay eh.
Mm-mm.
Para wala ka sambod sa lahat ng bagay. Tapos ang mali ko doon, di ko kinontinue. Gets mo? Yung parang, andun ka na, sige, take a break, di ba? Pero ang mali ko, hindi ko talaga tinuloy.
Nandun ka sa moment na parang wala nang kwenta lahat.
Oo. At
Parang
saka,
ganon.
isa pa yung sobrang magastos ko noon, as in. Yun yung parang
Which is,
mistakes talaga para
yun,
sa akin.
yun yung mga hindi natin aware kasi, di pa
Oo.
tayo mature as an adult, ganon.
Oo.
Bata pa tayo nun.
Pero,
Ganun.
sa totoo lang, ngayon, yun lang yung pinagsisisihan ko, yung hindi ako nakapagtapos. Kasi sobrang big deal talaga sa atin, lalo dito sa Pinas na meron kang pinag-aralan.
Ako
Sobrang
din.
hirap makahanap ng trabaho, ganyan.
Tama.
Pero-
Grabe yung ano, no? Requirement.
Totoo. Pero ngayon, para sa akin, parang hindi ko naman pinagsisisihan na parang super magastos ako noon. Parang doon ako natuto.
True.
Simula nung parang ngayon, grabe na ako mag-handle sa pera. Kumbaga, hindi na ako
Nag-grow ka.
nag-grow talaga.
Parang dati, yun yung things na nire-regret mo, pero ngayon, thankful ka na nangyari sa buhay mo yun kasi parang minold ka ng experience na yun. Eh.
Sobra.
Diba?
Sobra. Grabe. Grabe yung adjustment from sobrang taas, sobrang magastos, sobrang madami, tapos biglang natuto ako sa buhay nung simula nang matay si mami.
Galing, no? Yung parang yung mistakes and yun yung parang nag-mold sa atin as a person
Oo,
talaga.
totoo. Yun naman talaga. Yun ang
Kasi
kagandahan.
kung walang ganun sa buhay mo, wala. Straight line ka lang.
Oo.
So, hindi ka tataas, di ka bababa.
Tama,
Diba?
tama.
So, kailangan
Kumbaga,
natin.
ang failure mo yung step mo.
Tama. Kaya nga, ito yung sinasabi ko lagi eh. Pag nararamdaman ko na yung para nag-fail ako, feeling ko nag-fail ako sa something, inilulook forward ko na yung something new or bigger na padating.
Mm-mm.
Parang ganun. It's either ayon or learning experience.
Totoo.
Na parang, ay, excited na ako. Feeling ko may matutunan ako dito.
Kaya hindi
Ganun.
mo kasi maiwasan yung parang
Ma-devastate ka.
Yun nga yung failure,
Diba?
di ba?
Ma-devastate. Di ba may iwasan talaga yung malungkot na ano ba to?
Yun
Pero
nga
ba
yung
talaga?
nakakatakot dun. Yung failure yung pinaka nakakatakot, di ba?
Sobra.
Kaya parang yung mga perfectionists, ayaw nila ma-fail. Kasi nga, parang yung goal nila maging perfect or maging successful sa something.
Pero sa kanila, failure
yung-
will make you
yun.
better.
Tama, yung change din, yung change.
Ikaw, Ara, ano naman yung pinaka-biggest
Failure.
failure and mistakes mo?
Ngayon, hindi ko pa maisip. Ay, hindi ko maisip.
Sobrang ano
Kasi-
yung topic niya, sobrang malaking ano yun.
Malaki siyang
Sinabi mo pa
question mark.
memorable, parang sobrang
Oo.
memorable. Parang may mga mistakes tayo na
Small mistakes.
minor, ganon.
Sa
Pero
inyo
yung-
kasi okay na okay kasi talaga kayo eh.
Yung consequence-
Hindi, ano, I
Hindi,
mean,
hindi.
baka sa kabilang side ng coin, ganun.
parang consequential yung question na yun eh. Na parang ano yung pinaka parang malaking mistake
Tsaka
na
yung
nangyari sa'yo.
interpretation natin ng mistake eh, iba-iba eh.
Mm-mm.
Di ba?
Oo.
Oo.
I mean, yung mistake pwedeng positives na nangyari sa'yo or parang iba yung impact, ganyan.
Oo.
May iba't iba tayong perspective nung kung ano yung meaning ng
Ang
mistake
hirap,
talaga.
parang tinanong mo, parang hindi ko maisip. I mean, alam kong madami, ang dami. Pero parang yung memorable, parang hindi ko pa maisip. At the moment
Mm-mm.
pero maya-maya baka mag-sink in na, eto pala.
Oo. Ikaw,
Baka
Jaggy Boy.
mag-sync sa mga Reddit stories
Hindi ko,
natin.
hindi ko pa rin alam. Alam mo, nag-iisip na ako eh. Kanina pa ako nag-iisip. Ano ba yun?
Kaya nga eh.
Pero kung yung college,
Oo.
college era. Siyempre.
Paras kami.
Kasi parang ano ba, yung age bracket parang
Hindi,
time
siguro
na ba natin
super,
para magkaroon ng maraming mistakes or parang bata pa tayo, tuyang pa tayo. Parang,
yung time na yun, siguro, too young pa. Pero,
Eh, yung-
siguro ngayon,
yung parang pagiging ano nyo, parang yung extrovert nyo ganon, yung
Super
hindi,
extrovert.
hindi mistakes, parang nag-enjoy kayo ng time na yun.
Experience.
hindi, may mali, may okay. Parang, nag-enjoy ka ng sobra.
Pero,
Pero,
eventually
hindi mo,
na-realize
Oo.
na ganon.
Pero mali din,
parang
no?
hindi mo inisip yung consequences na mangyayari in the
Oo.
future.
Tama.
Oo, super party-party kasi kami no. Sobrang YOLO kami dati.
Pero yun nga yung parang from the other side na perspective, yung sa amin, yung sa'yo.
Oo, na parang, yung sa amin naman, other side of the coin
Magkaiba
na.
nga kasi talaga
Hindi,
tayo.
ganito, parang napansin ko for, yung example sa atin, kayo kung di kayo nakapag-enjoy nung super
High school.
dati,
Totoo.
parang yung naging consequence nun sa inyo, parang late bloomer kayo,
Oo,
parang,
tama.
kayo yung late bloomer.
Super, hindi kayo social butterfly.
Tapos yung, ayun, sa work din, parang, di ba, na ano nyo yung, nyo, sa work nyo, nakafocus kayo. Tapos kami kasi, parang focus nga kami dun sa
Sa saya.
sa saya, ganun, enjoy lang. Tapos ngayon, parang, di ba,
Yun nga yung sasabi ko na wala talagang yan eh, kanya-kanyang timeline yan eh.
hindi ako magaling mag-explain, sorry.
Okay lang yan. Walang pressure.
Oo, nag-uusap-usap
Tagalogin
lang
natin,
naman
walang
tayo.
pressure.
Nag-uusap-usap lang naman.
Walang periodical dito.
Wala exam mamaya,
yung mga
Jacob.
yung mga parang, mga ganun, lagi nyo maririnig sa akin, parang ganito.
Okay lang yun.
Oy, sa mga US nga eh. Sa mga,
Like.
like sila ng like, naririnig din na kami sa like nila eh. Okay lang yun.
Ikaw, Jacob, ano sa'yo? Mga mistakes.
Parang, sige,
Failures.
go.
Hindi ko rin talaga eh.
Hindi
Kasi
pa.
hindi pa eh. Wala pa eh. Wala pa ako dun sa, siguro. Wala pa ako siguro dun sa point na nag-explore pa ako.
Ayun, tsaka balance
Oo.
yung ano niya eh.
Balance din kasi.
Mindset.
Oo, sa
Balance
totoo
siya
lang,
eh.
balance siya. Sa pag-aaral and, yung sa saya. Galing!
Galing
Galing, te.
naman.
Congrats.
Alam mo ba, kasi marami kang role model sa paligid mo. Ewan ko.
Oo.
Yun.
Lumaki akong may mga, may
Oo.
nakikita ko yung
So,
failures ng mga...
Oh my gosh!
Basta ganun
Audience
yun.
ka.
Gets
Audience
nyo?
ka na
Oo.
ibang tao.
Bilang bunso
Naging
nga
ano ka,
kasi,
Naging
oo.
parang re-review, parang nag-review ka ng
Pinasal
buhay
niya
ng
sa
iba.
akin.
Hindi, naisip ko din, yung parang, feeling ko parang di rin maisip muna ngayon yung mistakes. Kasi parang isip natin yung experience na yun, nakatulong sa atin. So parang, ngayon, yung perspective natin doon, nagbago. Na parang, ay, okay siyang experience. Naging okay siyang experience sa akin kasi, nabago niya ako. Parang ganun. So parang, kung isipin ko yung mistakes or failures ko, parang namold ko na siya na good experience siya. Gets? So, yun, hindi ko pa maisip. Hindi ko maisip.
Yung kay Jacob naman parang sobrang...
Ay, may spotlight kami dito. Ang lakas ng ilaw eh.
Kaya nga.
Eh, iniisip
Ay,
ko
naman.
nga habang nag-uusap tayo
Okay,
about...
wait. Sobrang lalim nito, parang usapan
Sige.
natin.
Sige, wait.
Ah,
Oh my God.
Whew!
Okay, ano po, malalim po yung ano, tapos mababa po kasi yung
Ang
bumper.
baba, ang taas nung ano.
Sispak po yung kotse namin. Habang nag-uusap tayo ngayon, parang mas, feeling ko mas lalong lalalim yung ano natin eh.
Kaya na tayo may podcast.
Yung relationship natin as family. Wala lang. Parang mas na-appreciate ko kayo kapag, ay, ang arte, may tugtog ba?
Ay, grabe.
May background music. So, yun nga. Umiyak dito. Ayun.
Bumaba, nagkaraoke.
Ayun lang. Parang natutuwa talaga ako na tuloy natin itong podcast.
Oo, grabe
tama.
to.
Hindi natin in-expect na
Wala
makakapag-open up tayo ng
Oo.
Sa ibang
mga
tao.
things. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero yun nga, yung mistakes, sobrang laking, di pa tayo sobrang marami experiences para masabi ko ano yung pinaka,
Mistakes natin
Oo.
talaga.
ano yung pinaka
Tama.
impactful. Siguro, sa akin, hindi siya mistake pero parang, yung pag-quit ko sa school,
Ayan.
sobrang, hindi siya mistake eh. Parang, malaki siyang desisyon sa buhay ko.
Mm-mm.
Hindi siya mistake. Pero parang in a way,
Parang
ganon.
hindi eh. Parang risk yun eh na may courage ka talaga nung time na yun eh.
Pero, hindi ko siya nga as mistake kasi, siguro nung time na yun,
Baka sa ibang tao, ang ano nila, perspective nila doon, mistake na ginawa mo yun.
talaga, sobra.
Pero para sa'yo,
Kasi nung time na yun,
Hindi.
parang, siguro, parang first few weeks, parang nagsisisi ako, mali ba yung ginagawa ko? Mali ba tong decision ko? Kasi parang, hindi mo alam yung mangyayari sa'yo 2, 3, 4 years from now, di ba?
Oo.
Kaya parang, dalawang isip ka kung tama ba yung ginawa mo. Kaya nung time na yun, parang, yung anxiety ko, sobrang to the roof talaga eh. Kasi, wala akong trabaho noon, wala akong degree. Yung mga friends ko, wala na, hindi ko na sila nakakausap, hindi na ako nakakapunta sa kanila. Yung mga high school friends ko, isa na lang yung nakikita ko lagi. Kaya parang, sobra yung time na yun.
Pressure.
Yung pressure din, kasi parang, yung time na yun, hindi pa kami natari breadwinner ng family. Kasi,
daddy pa.
oo.
Mm.
Kaya, yung time na yun, parang, yung pressure, medyo onti lang, pressure sa sarili ko.
Oo.
Hindi pressure sa as a provider, parang ganon.
Mm-mm.
Hindi eh.
Gets ko.
Yun, so, nung, eventually, parang, yun nga, na-cope ko na din, hanap ko na yung groove ko, ganon. Ayun, kaya medyo okay na ngayon. So, parang hindi ko siya consider as mistake, then, no? Parang, as a life experience.
Oo. Risk yun, feeling ko para sa
Life experience,
Mm.
okay.
Tingnan mo. Yun nga yung naniniwala talaga ako dun sa ano yung everything has a reason. Di ba?
Tama.
So, parang ano yun eh, parang magdo-domino effect. Yung isang decision mo, di ba?
Ano yung mga silliest na mistakes na nagawa niya so far?
Totoo ba
Yung
yan?
mga parang medyo
Wait
parang
lang.
nakakatawa, gano'n.
Sige, ako muna.
Go.
Pero kasi bata pa ako noon.
Okay, go.
Alam niyo na to eh.
Ano?
Grade 3 eh. Tumai ako sa school. Oo. parang hindi ano
Hindi ko alam yan.
Parang nakakayang i-share to sa mundo.
Share mo sa mundo. Go.
So, si mga classmates ko dyan dati. Hindi, iba kasi, di ba, okay lang naman talagang tumae sa classroom. Pero iba yung sa akin eh.
Ano?
Sabog.
Paano?
Makalat na tae, ganon.
Saan? Sa loob ng room?
Classroom, tapos ito nangyari. Nahihiya kasi ako kasi nga, syempre nakakaya, parang, uy,
Bata.
ano ba yun? Ang baho naman, gano'n, di ba?
Ah,
Tapos bata ka pa noon. So, nangyari, parang, yun na, hindi ko na kaya. Nakatungo lang ako. Tapos nahihiya na ako, parang gusto ko na umuwi. Ang tagal pa. Kasi may isa pang subject ata. Hindi ko natanda pero yun lang inaalala ko na may isa pang teacher. Tapos, anong nangyari, basa pa yung tayo. Pwede ba i-share yun?
Your discretion is advised.
Yeah. Ano to? Trigger warning.
Hindi trigger warning, believe.
Ang bango be.
Alam mo nangyari? Nangamoy.
Oo, tapos?
Kasi parang, nalidiri na ba kayo?
Hindi
Hindi mo inaamin.
Hindi. Tapos parang ang nangyari, nagkagulo na kasi ang baho daw, ganyan.
Hindi naman mistake yun. Parang, wala akong magagawa dun eh.
Eh di parang accident.
Accident, sige.
Accident, ganyan. Naisip ko lang ngayon. Ayun, na nangyari? Pinatayo lahat.
Ala!
Ala, nakakahiya.
Siya ang hindi
Tas-
nakatayo.
Tapos alam mo yung yung
Nakadikit
damit
na sa palda
namin.
mo?
Ang damit namin yung green, yung
Ah,
Girl
ah, ah,
Scout.
Hala.
Girl Scout, palda yun. So, gets? Natutulo yun kapag
Oh my
tumulong.
gosh!
Ang nangyari, ano nangyari?
Oh.
Tumayo kami. Di tumayo ako.
Hinaan ka, kabado ka na.
Parang may natulo na ata nun. Pero hindi ko natanda.
Wow.
Ito yung first time na makwento ko ulit. Nang tagal na eh.
Oo, tagal na naman.
Tapos pinatalon lahat.
Oh, God! Uy, grabe! Grabe yung teacher mo sa dista.
Parang ano,
Oo, te.
nanguhuli talaga kung sino yung kriminal.
Tahimik lang ako. Ay,
Hindi lang pawis mo yung tutulo.
Te, anong nangyari? Yun na, tumulo na talaga.
Grabe yun.
Tapos yung parang umiiyak ako noon. Tapos pumunta ako sa CR. Si mami, pinatawag si mami. Kasi yang-iya si mami sa teacher ko noon. Oo, as in, nakakahiya
Pinagalit ka na
din.
nung pinagalit?
Binagalit mo, binalo ko noon ni mami.
Oh.
Slay, oil-based.
Slay! Basang tae!
Oil-based.
Oil-based.
Wet shit! Charot. Ayun lang. Hindi ko sure, ano ba, mistakes ba yun or
Hindi
accident?
naman, accident yun.
Accidental
Kadiring
mistake.
accident.
Ano, accidental mistake.
Ako may serious mistake din
Go,
ako.
go, go.
Sige.
Pero high school na ako yun.
Go!
Grabe.
Ay,
Oy,
malapit na tayo.
Ako
Sige,
grade
go.
3 eh.
sobrang sikreto to, pero grabe.
Ay, wait. So, feeling mo, okay sa i-share?
Okay
Yun.
naman, shoutout na lang dun sa mga nakakaalam nito.
Tayo mo shoutout yan, ha?
Nakakahiya, pero
Sige,
go.
go.
Di syempre nung high school uso yung mga crush, di ba? Meron man talaga
yan
akong
tayo eh.
super
Okay.
talagang deads na deads ako doon sa crush ko na yon. Tapos may kaibigan din ako, yung kaibigan ko, yung crush ko, may kaibigan din. Yun naman yung crush niya, gets mo?
Saan
Kami
tayo?
magkaibigan, crush namin yung dalawang magkaibigan din.
Oo.
Ngayon, parang fiesta dun sa bahay ng
Dito.
ng tropa nila, nandun na sila, ganyan. Tapos nagpunta kami doon. Gabi na, parang okay, kumain kami, ganyan. Kailangan namin umuwi.
Mm.
Kami sabi, uwi na kayo, pwede na kami umuwi. Ganyan, pwede na umuwi.
Nag-name drop ka.
Ay! I-blip mo na lang yun.
Go lang, te. Okay lang.
Tapos kami ni,
Parking na kami.
basta i-blip mo na lang yung pangalan.
Sige.
Nag-jeep na kami pa uwi. Tapos sabi niya, huy, parang gusto ko pang bumalik. Ganyan. Sabi niya, gusto ko pang bumalik para makasama natin si ganto. Tsaka si ganto. Sabi ko,
Ilaw mo.
ako din. Sabi, tara, balik tayo. Sabi, ano yung dadahilan natin? Bakit tayo babalik?
Oo.
Sabi ni sabi
Uy,
niya,
nag-name drop.
kaya
Full
nga,
name na.
i-blip nyo na lang. I-blip na nga lang.
3 letters lang.
Flip na.
Yan, full name na.
Sabi niya, sabihin na lang natin, na accident, may tayo sa jeep, parang, ano ba yun, parang, basta ano ba yung dinahilan namin na parang na-hold up kami, or what?
Oh my God.
Grabe!
Ang lala.
Sobrang lala na nakakaya, sabi niya, na lang natin ganito yung nangyari, ganyan. Tapos umiyak na lang tayo, ganyan. Sabi niya ko, hulo! Sabi ko talaga, oo, tara. Di ba balik kami, tapos nagdrama-drama kami. Oh my God! Sobrang nakakahiya.
And
Tapos
the
yung
best
crush namin,
Yes, go.
tapos talaga yung mga crush namin todo, alalagan niya kasi gano'n yung nangyari sa amin. Alam mo yung sinungaling talaga
Oh
kami
my
para
God.
makasama namin yung
Slay
crush
da.
namin.
Yan ka lang.
Yung iyak, may ganon.
Later lang.
Yun yung pinaka-silliest mistake.
Kayo
Tapos,
ang unang pa-baby girls.
Hoy, sobrang nakakaya yun. Tapos, alam mo, hiyang-hiya ako hanggang sorry po dun sa kay tito, dun sa tatay ni ate. Oy, pakiblip na lang.
Okay.
Hinatid pa kami para daw safe kami. Hinatid pa kami para safe kami.
Ang lupit
So,
niya.
Please, nakalibre kayo ng pamasahe pa uwi.
Oo nga.
Pero grabe yung character development. Pag binabalikan namin tinatawanan
Tawanan
lang
niyo na
namin.
lang.
Sobrang hiyang-hiya kami.
Yun
Kasi,
yung, alam mo yung mga gano'n na, ano, yun yung gusto kong nangyari sa amin.
Grabe.
dati. Parang sobrang silly.
sobra. Yun ang
sobrang
silliest mistake
fun.
na ginawa namin. Talaga
Siya
nagpapanggap
nun.
kami para lang, girl, best actress talaga kami.
Yung ano sa
Umiiyak
loob
kami dun habang piyesta na
Hoy,
ganito
te, ang
ganito
dami ko
nangyari.
ipiblip. Huwag ka.
Sa
Ilang
amin,
pesos sinabi.
Sorry. Tapos ayun, grabe yung silliest
AKA
mistake ko
Jane.
nun. Sobra.
Jane daw.
Sobra.
Jane daw.
Diba? Grabe yun. Yun yung pinaka-silliest mistake ko nun.
Wow.
Yung grade
Okay.
1 din ako noon.
Okay.
Alam ni Ate May to.
Baka,
Kasi si Ate
baka
May
walang
yung
permission
ano.
sa ano ah.
So, ayun, grade 1 ako. Tapos, syempre, tamad-tamaran pumasok. Tapos, parang may papanoorin ka tuwing tanghali. E di, lunch break ng, ng grade school, no? Di, nakita ko natutulog yung,
Yun.
nakita ko natutulog yung teacher ko.
Doon pala natatawa na kami. Natatawa na kami sa boses mo.
Tapos nangyari.
Umuwi ako, tapos sabi ko kay Mami, Mami, wala kaming pasok.
Oh, sige.
Mami, wala kaming pasok.
Bakit
Sabi,
wala?
Bakit wala? Bakit bigla kayong pinauwi? Ganyan, nag-hysterical na si Mami. tulog si ma'am.
Ko naman!
Ay, ikaw lang kami pasok, tulog si ma'am. Tapos pumunta si
Grade
mami,
1 ka
pumunta,
nun?
oo. Si mami pumunta kay Ate May. May, hatid mo nga to. Hatid mo nga to kung pinsan mo. At wala daw pasok, tulog daw ang,
Yun na. Doon lanay lang tulog, Jeggy.
Ano
Grabe.
nangyari pagbalik mo?
Ano sabi ng teacher mo?
wala.
Pagbalik mo, gising na.
Pagbalik ko, gising na siya kasi alauna na. Ganun.
Nakakatawa to eh.
Sabi
Like,
teacher,
grade 1 ka pa pala nun eh.
Mami, wala kaming pasok. Tulog si teacher sa classroom.
Bumalik ka pa, effort mo pa umuwi ulit.
Eh, di ba layo, medyo malayo sa inyo yung ano?
Tayo,
Ikaw-
hindi, sa Kabuyaw kami nun.
Oh, hindi, medyo malayo lakad.
Lakad lang
Konti.
talaga.
Sa amin kasi tapat lang eh.
Oo.
Oo nga.
Kaya kung
pala.
magnanap
Sobrang
kami,
tapat namin.
bye!
Ay, Diyos ko, pag nandun kami sa school,
Oo.
di ba, umpisa, 6 a.m., gising. Nalilate pa kami.
Hala, same.
Pati, ano mga akla!
Grabe naman kayo.
Same.
Nalilate pa
Iniintay
kami.
ang
Minsan-
bell. Iniintay ang bell
Oh my
para
God.
alarm.
6:30 dati yung ano, di
Sobrang
ba?
ano ko pala
Oo,
talaga.
kasi-
6:30 yung
ganung
pasok,
oras.
minsan 7 ako napasok.
Nagbebel na, nakahiga pa kami. Oh
Grabe.
my God, one time pala, naalala ko lang.
Oo.
One time parang late na kami, binuhusan kami ni mami ng tubig.
Lagi naman.
Tulog pa kami noon.
Lagi.
Kasi
Sila
late na
magising.
kami. Sobrang,
Ganun sila magising?
hindi, I mean, pag sobrang late kami, hindi
Oo,
kami.
lagi ganun.
As di na kami ang breakfast pala namin yung spaghetti ni
Ni?
spaghetti merong ketchup
Nino?
ni Ate Baby. Sarap.
Uy, masarap yun.
Ayaw niya.
Ayoko lang kasi nung Elim, yung plug ceremony.
Okay, okay.
Ayos talaga yun.
Ako gusto
Kaya
ko
lagi
yun.
kami
Ayaw na.
Sayo kang Totoy Bibo.
Uy, bakit kayo ganyan? Ako nung elementary kasi ako, parang lagi ako active. Kaya
Oo.
pasok namin mga 7, mga 6:30
Be,
na
baka
school na
masaya
ako.
yung
Wow!
ano. Baka
Sobrang
kasi
guwan
masaya
ng
yung
ano.
Private school.
Masaya
Oo,
kayo.
masaya yung flag ceremony sa
Private school
private
kayo,
school.
Gago. Hindi kasi di ba
Baby
may,
girl.
may service kasi kami. Hindi
Sa-
ka
Ay,
pwede
wait,
malate. May service.
Kami kasi wala kami service eh. Lahat ng bahay namin.
Good lang ko sa'yo.
Kumbaga,
My
ano ka,
God.
bawal malate. Kasi di ba
Oo,
kapag
kaya
may service
pala
kayo,
eh.
may dadaanan pa kayo. Iba, ganyan.
Okay.
Ang
So,
gusto naman ng aircon.
Baka pati yung covered court na may aircon din.
Hoy, hindi! Grabe kayo. Wala namang aircon noon. Sa computer room lang.
Computer room daw!
Jacob, ikaw last.
Oo nga.
Ano?
Iba tayo.
Silliest mistake.
Go.
Wala eh, yung ano lang.
Ano yun?
Parang madami.
Perfect mo naman na tao. Role model ng tao.
Siyempre, madami ko
Wala.
lang eh.
High school
Jacob.
musical era.
ano, napagalitan ako ni mami kasi nawawala yung jogging pants ko. Pero tinago ko talaga yun kasi ayokong pumasok. Kasi ang aga.
So, parang prank ka na. Hindi
Isa
pala prank.
ang ending, nahanap niya, pinagalitan ako, pumasok pa rin ako.
Maghahanap.
Hindi ka nanalo.
Magtatago
eh.
ka na lang,
Hindi
Jacob.
ka nanalo.
Ay, nako.
Sabi niya, ano ba
Grabe,
yan?
kaya nyo yun. Hindi ko kaya yun dati ah.
Ako, hindi ko din kaya yun.
Na magsinungaling na, di ba, hindi natin kaya yun.
Oo, hindi.
kasi-
Never ako nag-cutting talaga. Hindi ko pa na-experience. Nung
Ako
college
din,
na ako
ako
naka-experience ng ganun.
Ako hindi ako
Never.
nagka-cutting nung LM,
Tsaka
pero
yung-
na-absent ako.
LM naman.
Ay, na-absent din ako.
Grabe
Alam ni
naman sa
Loli.
LM. Nung
Grabe
ano,
naman.
alam mo, nung high school, parang sobrang, di kami sobrang aral namin. Sabi ko later, parang gusto ko nang mag-cutting. Pangarap ko yun. Na yun.
Mm.
Oo, parang never. So, di ba
Oo.
sabi ko, nung high school days namin, sobrang critical namin sa study,
Oo,
sa
totoo.
grades namin, ganyan, kahit di naman matalino.
Sakto lang.
Kahit di naman mataas ang grade. So, yun parang, yung ibang mga sections, parang, masaya yung life nila. Masaya
Sorry,
yung high
be.
school life nila. O,
Sorry,
legit.
hindi kami nag-aaral.
Hindi, parang yun yung na-miss. Parang, yun yung sabi, may iba tayong perspective talaga sa buhay.
Totoo yan. Ako naman hindi kasi nung high school naman ako, parang tamad din ako. Dumaan din ako sa face na sobrang tamad na tamad ako pumasok. Tapos ang lola ko kasi, alam mo naman yun, sabi ko, Loli, mas maparamdam ko, sabi, oh siya, sige, sabi ko, di ako papasok. O sige, anong gusto mong pagkain? Ganun lang yun, magtatanong lang yun. Tapos, parang kahit anong gusto mo, pag may sakit ka kasi doon, kahit anong gusto mo kainin.
Ano siya ay living
Eh.
princess.
Wow.
Hoy, legit yung
Princess
pagka kay
Rica.
Loli. Kay
Princess
Loli, sa lola ko
Rica.
talaga.
Oo.
Sobra. Isang sabi ko lang doon,
Yung ice cream na cheese flavor.
Na maraming buckets ng ice cream.
Oo, sarap.
Tapos, 2 kilong hotdog.
oh, grabe, nakakamiss. Nakakamiss din yung
Uy,
buhay
hindi
na
nagka-cutting. Grade 6 nga, naranasan ko mag-cutting.
Hindi ko naranasan ng elementary yun eh. Sobra kasi ako tutok si mami sa akin kasi.
Ito, yung binano ko sa asin.
Okay, go. Ang dami ng experience. Go.
Trauma to, guys.
Trauma dump pala, no?
Ito po ay trauma dump.
Grade 1 ako noon. Kami ni Kikay.
May baka i-judge ka tayo ng viewers na parang abusive. Hindi
Wala.
naman.
Kami.
Doon nag-shape yung personality natin. Doon nag-shape yung...
Oo, iba-iba naman ang
Oo.
pagpapalaki
I
kasi.
mean, hindi naman tayo in-abuse na parang sobrang
Oo.
abuse. Pero, sige, go.
Ayoko tuloy sa
Maarte kasi yung generation ngayon, yung parang, ay, gentle parenting, ganyan.
Oo.
Usually, ang nangyayari, oo naman, okay
Naririnig
naman yung
ko
gentle
na sa
parenting.
kanya.
Kaso, ang nangyayari, sobrang spoiled ng mga bata.
Sabi mo na, yun yung reality ng ano natin.
Oh, then nung grade 1 kasi ako, naiwan ko kasi yung bag ko sa classroom.
Okay.
Tapos parang niyaya ko ni Kikay maglaro. Parang naglaro kami saan tawag din? Sa yung natin. Sa
Covered court?
Cover court. Naglaro kami, tapos umuwi kami.
Hindi mo na binalikan yung bag.
Wala na yung
bag mo, iniwan mo yung
Umuwi ako
bag
na
mo.
walang bag, guys. Tapos yun, pinaload kami sa asin. Kaming dalawa ni Kikay.
Oo, ang sakit nun.
Tapos parang kasi parang iniisip ni mami, nasan yung mga gamit mo, di ba? Wala tayong pera no. So,
Alam mo, yun nga,
bibili kayo
parang
ulit
medyo
ng
naiintindihan
gamit.
namin yung ano ni Mami dati.
side.
Kasi dati sinula gipit talaga kami. Kasi parang
Walang
yung
pera
ano
talaga.
niya, yung emotion niya, unhinged.
Strong.
Unhinged yung emotion niya kasi gawa, ang dami niisip, paano papakainin tong mga anak ko, parang ganon.
Oo.
So, ngayon, mabait na siya, medyo. 1% mabait.
Hi guys!
Hi! Start na ng Reddit stories.
Reddit story segment.
So,
Pero
ang
sino
unang
una?
magbabasa ay si drumroll.
Drumroll.
Si
Sino muna? Sino
Jacob.
Ako muna.
Ikaw yung decide.
Wait lang, munang team natin. Ang team
Medyo
natin.
mistakes nga. Kaya na parang
Mistakes
umpisa.
and
Huwag lakasan natin para
And failures. Mistakes and failures. Ito ay our depression. Trigger warning. Trigger warning tayo dyan.
Okay, go.
Hindi ko pa siya nababasa ng buo, yung ano lang talaga.
Okay.
Pinaka-title. I hate what I'm doing or not, or close open parentheses, or not doing with my life. And I'm terrified of repeating the same failures.
Wow.
I copied from post R bipolar.
Okay, are bipolar. Okay.
Yan, disclaimer, I have bipolar disorder and I'm currently in depression.
Nasa
Trigger
mo?
warning ulit.
Okay.
Yan. My mood switches heavily depend around school and work / my career. Open, close parentheses, or lack thereof. Backstory. Started college in 2012, failed out of my first year and got academically dismissed because of mental illness issues. Went to community college on and off for a few years, dropped more classes than I passed. Finally got back into my 4-year school this past fall. Struggled but stayed afloat till I had a very severe anxiety attack or episode that landed me in the ER. I missed several days of classes and ended up not finishing the semester. So I failed and was yet again dismissed. So I so desperately want to go to school and actually finish and graduate. But so far, I've only had one semi-successful semester in 5 years. I've tried school, I've changed my major and what I want to be when I grow up several times. Physics was my original area I wanted to get into.
Wow, physics.
Even before I started college, decided against it because I thought I was shooting too high. Well, after some self-reflection, I think I want to give school a go again at my CC and take some physics classes to make sure it's something I really want to do. But I'm terrified that the same thing is going to happen. I get way in over my head. My illnesses get in the way and I fail out yet again. It's making me super depressed. I've suppressed it and made myself believe that I was fine for a long time, but it's coming out that I'm really disappointed with where I am in life and what I'm currently doing with it. I want and need to do something, and school is what I really want to do. I can't just give up, I have to at least try. And this, close to having the perfect cocktail, and I've been in therapy for almost 6 months, and I've gained a lot of coping mechanisms from that. I feel like I'm in a much better place to handle school, but if I decide to go with physics, it's difficult major, and I'm worried the workload might be too much for me, and I'll just snap and break down again. I just needed to rant. Maybe someone can relate. If anyone has any tips or advice when it comes to BP or anxiety in school, it would be much appreciated. I just hate this funk that I'm in. Yun lang.
Go Jacob, as a student.
As a student, grabe, no?
Grabe, sobrang hirap din talaga
Grabe.
ng mga pinagdadaanan.
So, ano masasabi niyo?
Wala din ako masabi.
Ang dami yung pinasa ni Jacob.
Di ba? Kahit ako
Paulit-ulit
nalilito
lang-
eh.
Paulit-ulit lang yung cycle niya, meron siyang depression. So,
Yun nga
pinakamagandang gawin doon, magpunta siya sa therapist. Kasi sobrang unhealthy na nung environment niya.
Ayun, 6 months na nga daw siyang
Therapy.
nag-therapy. So, good for her or him na Nagte-therapy
yun na yun. Okay
siya.
na din yun.
Oo, grabe. So, ano yung parang
Wala akong
nahihirapan
masabi.
siya sa studies niya? Nagkatawa. Oh my God.
siguro, or sa workloads ng units niya na kinukuha.
So, pero gusto niya pa rin mag-aral
Oo,
talaga.
gusto niya pa rin mag-aral talaga. Gusto niyang tapusin yung major niya. Kaso nga, yun nga, natatakot siyang baka maulit yung mga attacks and mental.
Hirap talaga
ano.
yun. Kahit hindi lang sa students, kahit yung sa normal natin.
Mm-mm.
Kahit sa work, sa normal life.
Di,
Pag
pero,
talaga may depression ka,
Pag
parang
kasi-
ang hirap kumilos.
Totoo.
pag kasi student, parang inaano na,
Yung pressure.
yung pressure na kailangan mo tong gawin, parang
Mm.
kailangan mo, iba kasi yung ano sa atin eh, pero pag in general, parang kailangan mo nito para
May ma-achieve ka. Ganun.
Yeah, para makalampas sa future mo.
Yun yung sabi na education, sukatan daw ng, di ba?
Kaya nga eh.
Which is, di naman laging ganun yung
Kaya nga. Nung sinabi, medyo,
Maganda lang
medyo,
din
medyo nakaka-relate ako ng
Nakarelate
konti.
Hindi, maganda din yung main natapos, pero parang
Hindi siya parang yung ultimate requirement
Requirement sa life.
Oo, ayan.
Oo.
patuloy.
pero tapusin niyo pa rin yung
sa
pag-aaral.
lupa.
ultimate
Diba?
requirement sa life.
Mm-mm.
Kasi hindi lang yun yung mag-shape sa future mo. Hindi lang yung mag-shape sa buhay mo as a
Oo.
person.
Pero sana
Marami pang
hindi niya i-pressure
factors.
yung sarili niya.
Oo.
Kasi parang yung sa life mo, hindi lang talaga education eh.
Feeling ko sa future, ewan ko, eventually magkaka-recover din siya. Eventually,
Bata pa yan.
Feeling ko.
Bata pa yan.
Hindi pa siya sobrang sa mental niya. Pero okay yun, nagte-therapy siya.
Oo.
Okay yun. Kasi,
Nakakatulong
yun nga,
yun
gusto
eh.
niya kang makatapos, yung decision niya yun. Kaya okay yun na meron siyang guidance, meron siyang help sa other people. Yun.
Tama.
Ganun. Wow. Trigger warning
Ang
na
heavy
naman.
agad.
First episode pa lang.
Ang heavy agad na.
Depression.
May comment ba yan?
Walang comment.
Walang comment.
Tatlo lang yung nag-up.
So, tayo lang ang nag-comment.
Tayo lang nag-comment. Good luck sa kanya.
Oo.
Yeah.
Good
Sana
luck.
tuloy-tuloy ka
Oo,
lang
sana
sa pagpapatherapy.
Ganun talaga ang buhay kasi lalo na as a student.
Mm-mm.
Jacob, as a student,
Sa
di ba?
student, yeah.
Mahirap
Dahil
talaga.
pressure, ganyan.
Oo, mahirap
Pressured
nga
ka
maging
sa-
student.
Actually, ngayon iba na kasi yung generation. Dati kasi sa atin, di tayo sobrang pressured. Ewan ko. Siguro dahil sa environment natin talaga.
Environment, pati sa sa parang expectation natin sa sarili natin.
Ayun. Is ba, hindi kasi tayo sobrang pressured.
Ako hindi.
Mm.
Sa expectation
Ako
po ng magulang.
Yun.
The Philippine culture.
Talaga yung
Part
nagiging,
yun.
ano.
Part yun.
Bakit di ko
Pressured
na-experience
talaga.
yun?
Oo.
Siguro grabe yung support system ko talaga. Yung parang hindi ako nape-pressure
oo,
kasi
siguro.
kung ano lang yung may put ko sa table, parang okay na sa
May
kanila
mga
yun.
ano
As
eh,
long as
may mga family
okay
na
ako.
yung magulang ay high achiever.
Oo.
Gusto nila yung mga anak nila katulad nila.
Tama.
Hindi na nila naiisip na ibang tao yon yung anak mo.
Mm-mm.
Tama.
Diba?
Mm.
Galing sa'yo yon pero ibang tao na yan paglabas.
Oo, tama.
Oo.
Totoo naman. Tama naman.
Kaya
diba?
yung, ewan ko, yung pressure ni OP, parang, ano ba, sa sarili niya lang
Valid
ba
yun sa sarili niya.
Sa sarili niya
Oo.
lang. Oo.
Pero sana maging okay siya, no? Kasi
Oo,
mahirap
siya.
mag-aral tapos meron kang depression
Oo.
on the
Oo,
side.
grabe. Diba?
Sobrang hirap
Isipin
nun.
mo pa yung grades mo, tapos depressed ka.
Kaya nga.
May
Tapos
anxiety.
working student pa. No?
Working
Oh,
student.
if working student siya.
They
If working
Working
student.
student ba siya?
Working student.
Work ka ba?
May work siyang sinabi eh.
Halatang di
Ay,
nakikinig.
Oy, makinig kayo. Okay,
Ako.
Rika, go.
Wala
Okay.
akong babasahin
Maganda
for
pa,
today's video.
interesting.
Ayan na, si Rika, bombshell.
Yeah.
Bombshell of the episode.
Wala naman trigger
Ano
warning.
ba to? Trigger warning
Tingnan
po
natin.
ba to?
Tingnan natin.
Natin natin,
May
along the
trigger
way.
warning to, guys. Baka may mga, ano dyan, mga trauma.
Okay.
Maungkat. Okay. Pero ito na yung title.
Okay, go.
How do I, 19 female, tell my mom, 44 female, about a mistake I made?
Okay.
I did something that will ruin my relationship with my mom, but she deserves to know.
Oh.
The other night, I was at a party and I was drunk. I could barely even walk or talk, and I was a mess. But I texted her and asked her if she could pick me up. She was asleep, so I texted her boyfriend. Him and mom are 40-something. They've been together for a year.
Okay.
I just needed a ride home, and he was awake and agreed. He came and picked me up, and he started rubbing my thigh. And I didn't
my
tell
God.
him, and I didn't tell him to stop.
Ay, my
And
God.
one thing led to another, and he went down on me.
Oh!
I didn't tell
No
him
way.
to stop.
Rika!
warning.
Rika!
I woke up sober. Sober pala. I
drunk
woke up
ba siya?
No,
Mm.
I woke up
Di ba,
I
no
woke
party?
up sober, and it's something I never would have done sober, and it's my fault.
Hindi, pero kasi parang alam niya eh.
Oh.
Conscious siya eh.
We didn't have sex, but I feel disgusting, and I don't really remember much, but I know it happened, and I feel sick. I can't even look at my mom in the eyes, and I just want to tell her what happened, but I am afraid. She doesn't deserve to be with a cheater, and she doesn't deserve to have a liar daughter that does stuff with her boyfriend. I feel ashamed, and I am sorry. She deserves to know the truth. She's my best friend, but she won't be after I tell her the truth.
Yeah.
I am so sad, and I hate myself. Her boyfriend is acting like we should continue this, and he keeps trying to have sex with me. And keep it on the down low. I need to tell her. I can't keep this in. I tell her everything, and I know she's going to hate me, but I made a mistake, and I need to own up to it. How do I approach having this conversation with her? Edit.
Okay.
There are so many comments. I wasn't expecting all of this support. I've read them all, and I will reply to some later. I'm just a little overwhelmed right now.
Wait lang. Ano
With what's going on?
yan?
R/relationship advice.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Ano yung mga comments?
Ito, may nag-comment. Sabi, I'm so sorry this happened to you.
Oh.
A lot of people are saying this is sexual assault. And I agree that it was. But I also know that you might not feel that way at this point, or you might not be ready to hear that. If you're not ready to call this sexual assault, just know that he took advantage of you.
Tama.
And
Yun
that
yung right
is
word.
not okay.
Mm-mm.
He knew you would never do anything with him if you were sober enough to process what was happening. He went to pick you up and a plan for this to happen.
Yung sexual assault.
You are
talaga
not a
siya.
bad person. The fact that you are beating yourself up for it shows that you are not a bad person. He's trying to have sex with you now. He is the bad person.
Yeah.
Cheater.
Tama.
Things might be rough with your mom for a while, but she will forgive you.
Mm-mm.
If you're not ready to tell your mom what happened yet, maybe you can phrase it like this. Mom, I have something to tell you. I'm so sorry to tell you this. When I was really drunk last night, I called blank, yung boyfriend's name,
Mm-mm.
to come pick me up, and he was inappropriately sexual with me. I didn't do anything back. In the moment, I froze, and I didn't stop it from happening. Today, he is making more sexual advances towards me, and I don't feel safe, Mom. I need your help.
Feeling ko, parang ginaslight niya yung sarili niya. Feeling ko,
Masama
ginusto ko to kasi inaccept ko. Pero sinexual assault talaga siya.
Oo. May baka ganun, di ba?
If
Na parang,
Parang, hinilit ko siya na.
Tapos sabi, if she asks for details, you can tell her you're not ready to talk to her about it yet. But it was really bad, and you need her help because he's trying to do it again.
Oo, yun yun.
Your mom
Tama.
has been a woman in the world your mom has been a woman in the world for far longer than you. If she's your best friend, like you said, she will understand, and she will kick him out of your life.
tama.
Good luck, baby girl. I know Mount Everest is on your shoulders right now. Just know you don't have to go to police or do anything else yet if you don't want to. But you do need to tell your mom so you can be safe.
Oh, wow. Grabe. So, sexual assault talaga.
Oo nga. Na ginaslit
Ginaslit yung sarili niya na may consent.
Ginusto ko to.
Oo.
Pero hindi talaga.
I agree that he definitely had a plan for this to happen when the girl texted him. He may have been hoping for an opportunity for the last year, especially since he doesn't show any guilt or remorse.
Oo nga.
So, parang
Yung
planado
intention
na...
kasi yun.
The girl may have not been the only one either. I see 19-year-olds as too young simply because of maturity, and I'm only 22. I can't imagine being double my age, being trusted by a 19-year-old because I am in a relationship with her mother, who also trusts me, and then taking advantage of the 19-year-old when she asked for my help because she was damn near blackout drunk. A 19-year-old who might see me like a father figure or at least a family friend. If you've gotten this far in these comments, I know that you're probably still processing all of this, but you don't have to do it alone. No one that knows you and loves you will blame you. I know your biggest concern is your mom, but something happened to you, and if you're able to tell her because you're worried about how she'll feel and what she'll think, tell someone else. A friend, a close co-worker, maybe a cool boss that you trust, your favorite high school teacher. They'll be able to help you not blame yourself, and after that happens, you'll feel better about telling your mom.
Update!
Ayun na, ito na yung
Okay,
update.
what's the update?
So, originally, when I made that post, I genuinely thought it was my fault. Just for some more context, I never really felt unsafe around him. I trusted him. He'd been living with us for the last 6 months. I'd go places with him, just us, we'd be alone, and nothing ever happened, so I really did feel sort of comfortable with him. I did not expect him to do what he did that night. My mom was asleep, and my drunken mind thought he'd be the next best person to call to get me home because I'm going home. He lives there. I thought I trusted him, and we both have the same destination.
Oo.
No one else knew I was awake. I didn't want what he did to me, and I was really drunk. I couldn't do much. I could have said stop, and I don't know what I was thinking. It's seriously a blur. The easiest thing I thought to do was blame myself.
Yun na nga. Yun
Tama.
na nga.
Everyone on here has been so supportive. I know now I shouldn't have blamed myself, but the next morning I just couldn't help but feel it was my fault. And I couldn't really piece things together, and it was all so confusing. This may be much, but when I got into his truck, all I remember is a short exchange of words, and all of a sudden his hand is on my thigh. He telling me I'm pretty, and then his hands between my legs. And I
Yuck.
remember feeling funny about it, like what the is he doing?
Oh my God.
And then he leans over the center console, puts his fingers inside of me,
Oh my God.
and his mouth down there on me.
Bata pa siya, di ba?
Oo, 19. I remember telling him it hurts and to just go home, and he stopped and drove us home. I was seriously confused. I did not mention this in my post, but I left a lot out about that night. I fell asleep on the ride home, about a half-hour drive, and I woke up in a passenger seat. Truck parked in our driveway, and his hand was up my shirt. I was a little bit more sober at that point. I told him I needed to go to bed and went inside. The next day, he sent me a text saying how we should have sex, and he wants to feel me be inside of me.
Grabe.
Be inside of me.
Oh my God, assault talaga.
And finish what we started.
Ew.
For one, I didn't start anything. He tried a few more times to have sex. I have plenty of proof. A lot of people told me to keep the text messages to show my mom, and I did keep them. And I showed the messages to my mom.
Yes.
The day I made the post, I did not get the chance to talk to my mom. But yesterday, I finally talked to her when I got home from work.
Oh.
I was afraid she wouldn't believe me, but we have a really good relationship, and fortunately, she is on my side.
Okay.
We cried and hugged, and I
Ang
showed her
sad.
the message he sent me, and he's going to be out of our lives now.
Yes.
Yo!
Thank you, God.
Thank
Thank you,
God.
God.
I didn't even have, naiyak tuloy ako.
Oo nga.
Naiyak ako kasi
Okay.
syempre nakakatawa
Mother-daughter,
naman.
no?
I didn't even have to show her the messages to get her believe me. She took my word.
Oh,
yes. Thank
Tama
you.
ka, Jacob.
She
Tama.
focused
Tama
her
ka. May sinabi ka kanina about sa mother.
she focused her anger on him and
Ay,
not me. Ako pa ganyan. Kasi parang kami ni Mami,
Oo.
parang true thick and thin
Support,
kasi.
no?
Okay.
Anak niya yun eh.
She focused her anger on him and not me. Like, I feared she would. And as I was sitting in my room, I heard her blowing up on him over the phone in the living room. I went to
Yes.
stay with a friend for the night while she dealt with him when he came home from work. We have a few police officers in our
Yun.
family. My mom wanted to get them involved, but I do not want that, mainly because I just want to get therapy and move on from this.
Oh,
And my
sad.
mom is going to get therapy too. She feels
Oo.
horrible, and I'm so glad I listened to everyone and told her because she has been so supportive.
Oo.
But I also feel bad for her because he also hurt her.
Tama.
Di ba?
I am
girlfriend niya
still
yun.
feeling a little traumatized, and I feel so bad for my mom. She is blaming herself. She's mad at
Ay,
him,
I'm
and
sad.
and sad she ended up with him trash. Maybe I will look into going to police so he doesn't do anything to
Oo.
anyone else. But
Accountability.
for now, I don't think I can. I want to heal, and
Oo.
honestly, I'm afraid because my mother said he did not take it well. Called me a liar and a whore.
Oh my God.
Bakit?
All sorts of things, just as I expected, but I had the proof on
Gaslight.
messages.
Sino?
Liar daw yung bata.
Oh
Sinasam-
my God.
Ginaslight.
I'm scared.
bata.
I'm scared he'd get mad if we went to police. I am still really sad and messed up over this and overwhelmed. So thank you all for the support. This had a good outcome. I wasn't expecting so many people on Reddit
Oh
to
my
care
God.
and offer support. It really meant a lot to me. You all opened my eyes, and had I not taken your advice, he'd probably still be here, still harassing me and not treating my mom the way she deserves to be treated. I would probably still believe it's my fault, that it wasn't a big deal. Coming to you all gave me a new perspective. Maybe to some degree it is a little bit my fault, but I am just glad I came here. There's a lot of great caring people that have helped me. I wasn't expecting this outcome, and I feel lucky to have my mom.
Wow.
Kakampihan
Grabe.
talaga, anak.
Tapos, di ba, sabi mo kanina, 6 months pa lang sila magkasama? Or 6 months sila
Lang live-in.
live-in.
Mhm.
Okay.
Grabe.
Ang sad nun sa part nung nanay na sinisisi niya yung sarili niya.
Oo.
Kasi parang nadumihan yung anak niya. Parang ganun.
True. Siyempre, kahit ako yung, kasi ako, di ba may anak na ako, parang,
Mas malalaman mo yun.
takte, girl, hindi pa na akin papakita ni Talia yung proof.
Alam
Patay
mo
ka na sa akin. Wala ka na sa buhay namin, baka napatay pa kita sa ginawa mo sa anak ko.
Beep. Oo. Slay!
Slay love. Slay the love.
Slay the predator.
True.
Pero grabe yung support ng nanay niya sa
Sobra.
kanya.
Sabihin, kilala niya yung...
Naiyak ako kasi di ba hindi lahat ng pagkakataon parang kakampihan ka.
Sobrang-
Sabihin na natin, aminin natin na kahit
Oo.
nanay yan, na hindi lahat. Hindi lahat.
Sobrang thankful siya sa nanay niya kasi sinuportahan siya.
Hindi yan, sabi niya nga, hindi nagalit sa kanya or what, parang hindi na humingi ng proof, hindi pa nababasa yung messages, parang tinanggap na agad nung nanay niya na parang gano'n siya agad yung kinampihan.
Tapos
ganyan,
ito pa,
ganyan.
yung lalaki minura siya, inano siya, yun ang totoong abuser.
Oo, yun ang totoong abuser.
Oo.
Sinubukan siyang
I-gaslight na,
Gaslight, diba?
sinungaling ka, hindi
Oo,
ka
liar
nagsasabi
daw,
ng totoo.
pok-pok daw. ganyan.
Buti hindi ganito yung nangyari. Parang umano yung sa side ng lalaki.
Oo, parang
Oo nga,
inisip
na
Ang
na
sad
ano.
nun. Pag ano.
Sobrang
Parang inisip
cringy
na yung
nun.
anak niya yung ano.
Oo, yung sinungaling.
Oo.
Parang kung ako yung kunyari si mami boy pa, tapos si mami kasi minsan may boyfriend si mami, tapos ako gagawin sa kanya parang,
Oo nga.
No, papakulong natin yun.
pero for sure ako din, alam ko sa sarili ko, na ako yung kakampihan ni mami. Ako yung kakampihan ni mami talaga.
Oo.
Okay ba?
Okay na, wow.
Wow.
Another controversial na naman po, mga
Bombshell.
kababayan.
Yes.
Slay.
Bombshell Rika.
Sino sunod?
Slay the
Oh,
love.
hindi ko
Slay
alam
the-
kung maganda yung nakita
Slay the
ko.
predator.
Next
Slay
story.
the predator. Happy ending.
Next story.
happy ending.
Uy, may long-lasting trauma yun.
Yun nga.
Pero okay yung aging outcome
Happy
niya.
ending in a
Nagkaroon siya ng
sense
justice.
na... oo.
Yeah, tama, justice. Nagkaroon siya ng justice.
Ano to, r/MID asshole for accidentally telling my fiancé I hate his sister and she won't be a part of my wedding.
Grabe yun.
Okay.
Okay, go.
This situation is literally ridiculous. But this whole thing has caused almost nuclear warfare across the family. So I'm here to get a consensus. Throw away for privacy even though there's a good chance my fiancé will see it. I, 26 female, no, have been with my fiancé Chris, 26 male, for 4 years now. He and his sister, 21 female, Lilac, are very close. They had a pretty traumatic childhood and always promise each other to be here no matter what. Lilac is a good sister to him, but as a person, truthfully, I can't stand her. She's literally the textbook definition of a bubbly blonde. Ano yun?
Parang alam ko yun eh.
Definition
Parang,
talaga.
She is
White to
overly
white chick.
charismatic, always giggling, and in general just acts too immature for my taste. She likes to pull pranks every once in a while on my fiancé, and he gets her back, but the whole ordeal just seems childish and obnoxious to me. Ever since we got engaged, I knew I didn't want her in my wedding party because that means I'd have to spend time with her at my bachelorette and other parties.
Oh, okay.
Fast forward to last night, and my fiancé asked me when I plan on asking Lilac to be a bridesmaid. I got quiet and truthfully said I didn't plan on doing so. This upset him because he said he wants his sister to be a part of the most important day of his life, and that if I didn't do it, he was going to make her a groomswoman. To make sure she is included.
grabe!
Gross woman.
I cannot lie, this set me off. I went off about how I want to feel respected by him and be able to enjoy my wedding day. He said he also wants to enjoy his day, which to be fair, I understand. I told him that I have always disliked his sister and wish he would just not include her for once on a day that isn't even about her. He got quiet and went into our guest room to be alone. A couple of minutes later, I got a text from Lilac that she completely respects my decision to not want her in the wedding party, but she is hurt to know what I actually feel about her. I didn't want her to find out at all, and now he stole his whole family about our argument.
Oh my
Half
gosh.
of them are attacking me, and half of them are saying it's my day, so I should be able to enjoy it.
So half-half sila.
Honestly,
50-50
this whole
pala.
ordeal is stressful for no reason because Lilac isn't even upset. I don't want her in my wedding party, yet the whole family is upset. And my fiancé has been very short with me all day. Am I the asshole?
Wow.
Tapos na?
Edit. I edit.
Okay, ano?
Just because I hate her personality doesn't mean I am mean to her. Being around her drains my social battery.
May ganong tao talaga.
But
Okay.
I have never been mean to her, nor did I want her to find out ever, especially in this
No
way.
comment.
Okay.
I am just super introverted and our personalities collide.
Humble.
Okay.
I
And
don't want her at my bachelorette party because I want to enjoy it fully and not feel anxious the whole time because the personification of a human firecracker is attending.
Oh my God!
Human definition, wow.
Oh
May
my
update.
Hindi, wait
Ano,
lang.
game.
Ano muna natin?
Oo.
Sige.
Sa akin, para sa akin may point naman siya.
Oo.
Okay, may point naman siya. Pero ako kasi personally kung ako yon, kapatid ng asawa ko yon, sa isang araw na lang naman, tiisin mo na.
Oo.
Kasi pag naman nakasal kayo, for sure may sariling ng buhay kayo.
Hindi, ang ano kasi
Kumbaga,
niya,
hindi
ayaw
na.
niyang isama sa bachelorette party
Pati
niya.
sa wedding niya.
Oh, wedding
Pati sa
niya.
wedding din.
Lahat.
Oo.
Lahat.
Kung sa bachelor party, okay lang eh. Pati
Kapag-
sa wedding, grabe naman
mag-anak
yun.
mo eh.
Kapatid ng asawa mo yun.
Oo.
Okay, gets ko naman parang okay, nadadrain siya. Pero isa na lang, para pagbigyan mo na sa wedding.
Ah,
Ang masaklap
okay.
doon, syempre, dapat yung asawa, parang pinoprotektahan siya. Kasi
Oo.
mag-partner na kayo, mag-asawa na kayo, wag mong sasabihin yung...
Makampihan yung
Hindi naman sa kakampihan, huwag mo na sasabihin doon sa pamilya mo yung makakasira sa
image
asawa mo.
ng asawa.
Kasi matapangasawa mo na yun eh.
Oo.
Sinabi mo pa bago pa kayo ikasal, di ang
Kaya
pangit
nga.
naman nun.
Kaya, wag na kayo magpakasal
Pero
kung ganun
ako-
pala yung ano nyo sa isa't
Ako
isa.
parang ang opinion ko doon, personally kasi, wag na i-personal nila yon kasi para dun sa babae, ayaw na talaga dun eh.
Oo.
Na
Wala
parang
nang
wag nyo
magagawa.
i-personal sa akin yun.
Yun lang din.
Preference ko yun. Kung
Pero ano
ayaw
kasi
nyo,
doon,
yun
yung
lang.
sa wedding kasi.
Pero nakakawa kasi, isipin mo parang lahat kayo nandun, tapos yung isang anak,
kapatid.
wala. Gets
Lalo
mo?
na dun sa
Sa bachelorette party, okay
asawa
lang.
niya. Asawa niya.
Oo.
So, ano-
Kahit ako eh,
anong-
kung kapatid ko, hindi, dahil hindi mo lang type
sad.
yung pagiging bubbly niya, ayaw mo isama sa wedding natin. Kaya mo tiisin yun. Sige,
Ah.
kakasal tayo, kunyari tayo,
Oo.
ayaw ko isama si Ara.
Kasi kay Lilac, okay lang daw.
Depende
Pero
sa usapan
para dun sa
yun.
asawa na lalaki, ayaw niya kasi kapatid niya yun
Oo,
eh.
di ba?
It's
Ano sabi
either
nung-
dapat
ano sabi nung
mag-adjust si
family?
bride, mag-adjust si OP,
Oo.
na parang isang araw lang.
Ano sabi ng
Ganun.
family?
Ha?
Ano sabi ng family? 50-50
Galit,
sila?
50-50.
50-50.
50% na okay lang kasi day naman daw nung babae, ni OP.
Day ng babae.
50% na parang, ha? Bakit ganon?
Meron kasi parang mga hindi sila yung parang tight-knit, pero tight-knit sila ng sister niya, sabi niya.
Oo, yung lalaki.
Yun yung parang medyo kaliwa ng konti. Ano, not the asshole?
Am I the asshole? Asshole ba si OP?
50-50 din.
Oo.
50-50.
50-50 din. May rights naman siya na magdesisyon kasi kasal niya.
Kasal niya eh.
Pero, ang akin lang kasi, maging ano siya,
Considerate din siya.
maging considerate siya
Sa
kasi
feelings
kapatid yun
na.
ng asawa niya. Kahit
Yun.
isang sakripisyo na lang naman. One day
Parang
na lang.
medyo asshole siya.
Yun
Kasi
nga.
family member siya nung asawa mo eh.
Magiging family
Magiging
member.
family
Magiging family
kasi
member mo
siya
din
eh.
siya. Hindi mo maiiwasan yun.
Oo.
Kaya medyo asshole siya. Update? Ikaw, ano sabi mo?
Wala. Sabi niya na, be.
Update ba? Okay. I am probably going to make this my only update for a while, if not ever. We talked this morning. Sorry for not posting it earlier. My Wi-Fi company has been having some issues. Wala kami pa, charot. Joke lang. Hindi maintindihan Tagalog.
Wala kaming pakialam. Joke.
Okay.
We still are not resolved. He doesn't just want her as a groomswoman, but wants to ask her to be the best woman. Best man, but as a woman. Gets?
Best woman. Okay,
Gusto niya
naman pa
din.
rin.
Gusto
niya
ng kapatid.
Gusto ng
Kapatid
kapatid.
ng best woman. Siyempre, kapatid
okay.
na yun eh.
This is still not resolved because I am not comfortable with that, and it's more stressful because the whole family has turned into flying monkeys because his sister is the apple of their eye, so they took what I said as serious attack against her. Wait lang, parang siya ng attention.
Ang selfish
Si
niya.
OP.
Oo.
Parang insecure siya kay
Kay
Lilac.
girl, no?
Parang may insecurity
Oo.
nga. Tapos ang selfish niya. Parang medyo may
Ayan.
konting selfish.
Dumating tayo sa point na hindi tayo kampi kay OP.
So, asshole si OP.
Asshole siya.
Asshole siya.
Girl,
Sa update pa lang.
kasalanan ba nung tao na bubbly
maging-
siya?
Oh, yun nga, personality yun ng tao.
Personality yun ng tao. Kapatid yun ang mapapangasawa mo. Ako, bago ako pumasok sa isang relationship, minamahal ko yung pamilya ng mahal ko. Kasi mahal niya yun eh.
Oo.
Kung ano sila yun,
May
ayun.
mga pwede,
Iwas ka na lang, di ba?
may mga compromise na kailangan gawin.
Pero,
Pero,
asalisin mo talaga sa wedding. Grabe yun, girl.
oo nga, parang sobrang
Sobra yun.
Sobrang-
Sobra yun.
extreme. Sobrang extreme nung ayoko sa wedding. Ayoko kita sa
Hindi ka,
wedding.
anong
Malis ka.
comment mo?
Parang ganon.
Okay,
Dalawang
may
story.
update pa. May update.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Nag-post si
din
OP
siya.
sa relationship advice.
Nag-post din siya. Alam ba siya nag-post?
Oo.
So, am I the asshole at relationship advice?
Ito.
Tapos, yung comments from the relationship advice nandyan. Wala ba link tong am I the asshole?
Hindi ko nga, I think this was not like the other girls too, so 4 time. She deleted her profile now. And by the sounds of it,
OP.
Oh, pero mababasa mo pa yun.
and by the sounds of it, her relationship will soon be deleted as well.
Ay, garos. Grabe yan.
Walang update ni OP.
Siguro na ano siya doon.
Dinilit niya nga eh. Kaya,
Na-burn siya doon mga tao.
Na-burn siya. Asshole siya talaga. Asshole siya.
You sound jealous of her.
Tama.
Okay.
Oh, baka nga
Oh, yun yung mga
insecure
comment
siya
natin.
dun sa ano.
No advice can help you because you haven't understood that you are in the wrong. No one else is you did
Sabi
something bad and you need to take responsibility for it.
Deserve.
Therapy, really. You're jealous of his sister.
Wow.
It's his sister, not some woman he met in a bar.
Yes.
You still can't get it through your head that calling her ditzy or bubbly or whatever just sucks. It's not her fault. You're an introvert.
Oo.
How are you going to handle a party and a wedding if you can't handle one person?
Oh.
Wow.
Really, ask
Yung
yourself.
Ano ko doon na parang, introvert ka, sige, okay. Pero wag mong idamay yung ibang tao sa sarili mo.
Yun yan.
'Di ba?
Sabi na, really ask yourself if she annoys you or if you were jealous because you aren't getting full attention from your fiancé. Does your fiancé have any rights? It's not just your day. This idea of brides being royalty has got to stop. Keep it up and there likely won't be a wedding. Comment paraphrase. Why are you not comfortable with her being the best woman? Response, I just want my wedding to be about me and my husband. Not her, me and my husband.
Selfish.
Kaya nga. It would be nice to see him prioritizing my feelings instead of hers for once. Especially on our big day. Edit. OP just posted a second update on the Am I the Asshole post.
Okay.
Second update. He called me about 2 hours ago.
Okay.
He is currently staying at Lilacs
Wow, okay.
and asked if we could talk. Oh my
Oh
God.
my God, di na tuloy yung wedding. Okay, go.
I obliged and it
Sabi
was a very difficult talk to say the least. I asked him to come home and he rejected. Firstly, he apologized for telling his family and said it was a rush mistake. He made it in the heat at the moment. Then he said that if I wasn't willing to have her as a bridesmaid, that it is unfair of me to ask him to not have her as his best woman and that he is not willing to compromise his sister's role in our wedding.
So, ayaw niya maging bridesmaid, ayaw niya pa maging best woman. Yung
Tapos ayaw
babae.
pumayag na guy.
Grabe.
Ang ano niya?
Huwag na kayo magpakasal kung ganyan yung issue nyo.
Oh, selfish.
Sobrang babaw.
This made me cry and tell him, bitch.
Ito ako, sobrang baba.
This made me cry and tell him that I am tired of feeling
Hindi, ang babaw
second
naman
place
talaga.
next to another woman.
Mga Amerikano
Baka
talaga.
nga she's jealous.
No, blip.
And that I was and that I was going to be his wife, so I wanted to feel like he had my back when I needed him. This really upset him, and he said that as Lilac's big brother, he is also supposed to have her back when she needs him, and she
tama.
needs him now when the supposed love of his life is blindsiding him with hurtful information about her. He told me that it was true. He does put Lilac first, and he won't stop because he raised her. He said that he is willing to go to couples counseling, but first I need to apologize to Lilac for what I said and stop grieving over the fact that he wants her as his best woman. The call was filled with lots of tears and we finally decided to give it a rest and talk tomorrow so that we could both process what was going on. This wedding is doomed. Sabi ng comment.
Legit.
As many of the comments pointed out on the post, you're marrying into each other's families too.
Yung totoo. Yun na nga yun eh. Ano
He's very
naman?
close with his sister. This will not end well for OP.
Dalawa lang ba sila magkapatid?
Hindi ko sure. What really pushes OP into being the asshole is claiming that making the sister part of the wedding party will miraculously make the wedding about her, and the claim that the fiancé that the fiancé doesn't prioritize her feelings over the sisters but doesn't actually offer any real examples. What I suspect is that having the sister in the wedding party won't actually make the wedding about her, but it will make OP think about the sister more because she is in close proximity more. Therefore, the wedding is about the sister. AKA, OP has to weather the sister's personality more than she would if the sister was just a guest. And she doesn't want to do that on her wedding day.
So, parang pinaprioritize yung sister na dapat yung gantong wedding, dapat yung katulad nung personality ng sister kasi doon sa
Parang ang
mismong
sasabi
bride.
ng OP, kapag nga din sister niya, magiging, yung wedding niya,
Magiging
wedding
ganun
nila,
din.
magiging about na sa sister niya.
Oo.
Naku,
Hindi
parang
naman
ayaw.
ganun.
Napaka-ano naman ang utak niya.
Kaya nga.
So, parang
Close-minded.
pabida yung sister niya.
Hindi, feeling ko yung
Yun
OP
ang
yung may
tingin niya.
Oo, yun
Yun ang
yung may
tingin
issue.
niya.
Yung OP
Kasi
mismo.
feeling ko kasi sobrang bubbly nito ni
Na ano niya
sister.
yung room.
Oo.
Na ano niya.
Nasasakop niya yung room.
Siya yung
Oo.
life of the party, ganun.
Oo.
Legit, siya yung life
Pero
of the party.
kasi nga ito si OP is introvert. Di siya sanay ng ganun. Tapos
sila
parang
same level.
gusto niya lang na parang all about her. Pero ewan ko.
Pero malay mo naman,
Baka
mag-adjust si
attention
sister,
seeker
di ba?
Baka nga din.
Baka
Pero,
gusto niya sa kanya
ang
lang
ano
yung
ko
attention.
doon sa bride, yung sa babae, yung sinasabi niya na bakit a second choice lang ako sa'yo, hindi yun dun eh. Kapatid niya yun. May
Oo.
traumatic experience pa sila na nangyari sa buhay nila. Siyempre, mas pipiliin niya yun kasi ni-raise niya yun,
Oo,
di ba?
Ano niya yun eh.
I mean,
Kapatid niya
sige,
talaga yun.
okay. Fiancé mo ko, ano.
Hindi, tsaka ganito. Wala
Bakit
namang
siya
ginawang
nagsiselos?
masama yung kapatid.
Sobrang bait pa nga eh, di ba? Sobrang ano pa niya eh. Sobrang i-consider, sige, best woman na lang ako, ganyan. Hindi naman siya inaano, di ba?
Si OP yung problem talaga.
Oo,
At saka,
asshole
di ba?
talaga. Tapos wait lang,
Wala naman-
pinost pa niya na pag habang binabasa mo, parang di mo ba nare-realize sa sarili mo na mali ka?
Oo.
Di
Hindi,
ba?
hindi niya na-realize. Kasi pag nakita mo sa reply niya, parang yung ano niya, parang yung gusto niya, decision
Close-minded
niya.
siya.
From the first place, dapat di ka na nag-post sa Reddit kasi
Oo.
sobrang nonsense.
Tapos, wala kang nakikitang
Yun nga.
comment na pangit about
Asshole
dun
siya.
sa sa
Lilac.
sister.
Oo.
Kay Lilac. Wala,
May
kay
asshole
Lilac.
ka
Wala
pa.
kang naririnig na kahit na anong pangit na comment.
Oo.
Kumbaga ang sabi niya lang, bubbly.
Yeah.
Ikaw naman, sige, maintindihan ko pag ganito ugali sa kanya, pag masama ugali sa kanya.
Kung may
wala
ginawang
naman.
masama.
Yung pagiging bubbly lang ng tao, yung irritable lang siya.
Tapos parang
Nairita siya.
ayaw niya nang inaagawan siya ng
Attention.
atensyon, pati yung mismong asawa niya, ayaw niyang sa akin lang to.
Jealous siya sa kapatid ng asawa niya.
Yeah.
Mapapangasawa niya.
Girl,
Yun.
nako, wag na. Kung yung lalaki, pwede ko advisean. Huy, wag na, huy. Wag ka na
Get
dyan.
Ano update ka lang nangyari sa wedding?
Ewan ko. Hindi ko na tinignan ng gulo eh.
Wow.
Pero alam ko, dinelete niya yung post niya sa relationship advice.
Yung account niya.
Yung account niya.
Yung slash deleted na nakalagay, di ba?
Oo.
Okay, r/am I the asshole? Am I the asshole for ruining dinner over a spelling mistake?
Ay!
Ay,
What?
Okay. I, 25 female, type very fast on my phone and sometimes have spelling errors / grammar mistakes. But as this is a text, I don't think it's that important.
Ay, text ba?
May mga spelling errors, ganyan.
hala.
I just need the person who I send a message understand what I mean. I know it irritates my husband as he has talked me about it before, and for him, I usually double check my text. But last night, it slipped my mind. I text my husband a shopping list as my sister-in-law and her family were coming for dinner and asked him to get some things after work. As I typed quickly, I had written coconut MLIK instead of coconut milk.
Girl.
I was making Thai green curry, but I realized I didn't have a tin at home. Parang can, parang ganun. I had made the curry before my husband was back. I just needed to add the coconut milk and reheat it for when my in-laws would come. When he got home, I realized he had brought everything I put on the list except the coconut milk. I got annoyed when asked him why he didn't bring that. And he said he couldn't understand what I meant. And that the next thing I should check my spelling before sending a text. Asa pa, wait, di pa tapos.
Common sense na lang.
I then told my husband to then figure out what we were serving sa sister-in-law because it wasn't Thai green curry as he didn't bring the coconut milk. I left my husband to then figure out dinner and he got us all takeout instead, which he was upset about doing as he had a hard day at work and I was at home.
Okay.
Ang babaw nun eh.
Okay.
Yung coconut MLAK
Yun
lang.
nga.
Yung coconut milk.
M-I, ano?
MLK.
MLIK.
Tama.
MLIK.
Oo. Kahit
MLK
grade
lang
2,
yun,
tusan mo, alam na coconut milk yun.
Ano ba yan?
Sobrang babaw niya naman.
Babaw.
Mga bonak yung...
Sakit sa ulo.
Nag-post pa sa MID asshole.
Kaya nga eh.
Sobrang.
Pero yung OP, hindi siya asshole.
Hindi.
Ay, siya,
Nagkamali siya
Husband.
Yung husband, yung asshole.
Yung husband niya, wala siyang common sense.
Hindi, totoo.
Oo.
Legit lang. Walang common sense yun.
Oo, legit.
Kung
Sipin
alam
mo,
mo naman yung lulutuin mo, di ba? Coconut, ano yun? Coconut ano? Langan coconut mismo. Coconut milk.
hindi kasi, common sense talaga, tama. Common sense talaga kasi, naglalipat lang yung L sa second na ano, di ba?
Tsaka, parang gusto na niya may ma-blame.
Oo.
Na parang mali ka. Mali ka.
Parang, di mo pa binili. Porkit nagkamali na ng spelling. Okay, go. Comments. Walang updates. Not the asshole. Comments. Not the asshole. My brain filled in the right spelling and I had to stare for a long time to actually see the typo. Diba? Sipin mo, coconut milk, pag pinakarap mo, hindi mo mapapansin yun kasi hindi mo tayo mapapansin siya.
Sunod-sunod yun eh. M-I. Parang ano na eh. Instinct na gano'n. Oo, milk na yan eh.
Ang daming comments. Ano to? 13,000 na upvotes.
Grabe.
Doon lang sa mababaw.
Ay, kasi
na-
nga.
Kasi
Ano sabi sa comment?
Wait lang. Ang dami kasing comments.
Ang
Ang bopis.
Ano ba yun?
Pares mo tayo naisip.
Tapos may nag-comment na isa. Didn't anyone see that stupid chainmail thing in 2000s about how our brains can figure out misspelled words pretty easily? 1000% knew what OP meant. Husband is punishing OP for a spelling error just to be
Yun.
spiteful in my
Yun.
opinion.
Blame.
Binlame niya na ano, not the asshole. Your husband couldn't figure out what you meant and didn't bother to ask or just maybe take a wild guess. That milk, that MLIK meant milk. Nope, not buying it. He took the piss and tried to make you feel bad and embarrass you. Frankly, it was a jerk move on his part.
Yep.
Sobrang babaw.
Right? If only he had some kind of magical communication device that he could take everywhere he meant as a way to reach all his friends and family, including OP, that he could ask his wife questions from the store if he was confused about something on the list. Shame, really. That would have been helpful.
Is he an asshole?
Grabe.
Hindi, halata naman.
Sobrang babaw.
Wait, meron pa. Wait.
Bopis ng asawa, no?
Oo.
Milk na lang.
Same. Husband is either a dumbass or just forgot the item. He could have also just texted his wife to clarify, but why bother
Tama.
doing that when you can just do nothing instead?
Oo.
Not the asshole, is your husband stupid?
Ah.
What other word could
Yun yun.
Yun na yun.
what
Yun na
other
yun.
word could emlik mean?
Coconut emlik. Coconut emlik.
Kidding, he's not stupid. He's just being unnecessarily petty. Ay, petty. Na stupid implies lack of intelligence. This is a punishment he actively decided on. So, 'di ba parang laging walang kwenta yung type niya, parang laging nami-misspell yung type niya lagi sa asawa niya. So, parang pinanish niya na parang, oh, sige, hindi ka na susundin kasi mali spelling mo.
Ay, ganun
Grabe.
lang.
So,
Ganun
parang
nga.
petty nga.
Ganun.
Petty nga siya.
Kasi sobrang bobo naman nun. Emlik, di mo alam milk yun. Grabe naman.
Emlik, coconut emlik.
Sobra na yun.
Then, that's all. Ang verdict ay not the asshole.
Yep.
Yung
Oo
verdict.
naman, not the asshole.
Mm-mm. Okay, so,
We're done.
we're done. Kamusta naman? Kamusta naman kayo?
Daming nangyari ngayong araw, ngayong episode.
Daming
Ano?
nangyari ngayon.
Epic fail, pero the best.
Ang pinaka gusto ko yung kay Atara, kaso hindi masyado na ano kasi konti yung details.
Eh, tsaka
Ang
dami
dami nangyari
nangyari.
dun sa ano niya, story niya.
Ang pinaka sobrang ano yung scary ka na naman
Bombshell yung kay
Sobrang
Rika,
bombshell
grabe.
talaga.
Uy, sorry. Ayaw niyo ba ng ganun?
Hindi naman.
Okay
Okay.
lang, oo.
Ako kasi gusto ko yung fun, nakakatawa. Gusto ko yung mga ganon.
Eh kasi mistakes. Oo nga.
Okay,
sabagay.
di okay yun.
Okay doon, tama yun.
Oo, maganda yun, intriguing na
Parang yun yung,
heartwarming.
parang sa akin kasi yun yung pinaka ano eh. Parang okay siya.
Ang ganda nun kasi sobrang
Pero hindi mo pa
nag-resonate
nababasa
din talaga
yung
sa lahat.
update or anything.
Ah, hindi pa.
Hindi pa, kaya
Pero nagandahan ako kasi nga syempre tungkol siya sa mom and daughter na parang na-touch ako na parang shit, I got your back.
True.
Parang ganun yung sa mom niya eh, na parang kahit anong mangyari through thick and thin, ikaw at
galing
ikaw
nga
pa
eh,
rin.
no? Ang ganda nung ending, parang ending nung...
Sobrang ganda ng update
Post.
kasi hindi ko na pa nabasa yung update. Nung binasa ko, sabi ko, magugustuhan to nila. Kasi parang
Hindi
okay.
mo nakita update na.
Hindi ko nakita yung
Na-shock
update.
ka.
Na-shock ako sa update.
Wow.
Buti na lang may update. Kasi syempre, mas
Buti na lang maganda yung update.
Oo.
Kundi may inis tayo dito, no?
Bye mga beshicles.
Bye mga kaput.
Huwag mong bye mga
Kaput.
Kaput Lobato.
Hindi, bye lang, no?
Bye na lang.
Ay, ang na-enjoy ko yung kanina, nag-drive tayo.
Diba? No?
Parang sobrang genuine natin nung time na yun.
Oo. At saka gusto ko yung nakain tayo. Hindi lang nakita.
Papakita ko yun.
Ako yun, papunta pa lang.
Ano,
Maganda
kasi
kasi yung ano.
nagka-chance na makilala natin yung isa't isa.
Tama.
Ay.
More.
Okay din naman.
Ay.
Ganun tayo lagi. May lagi tayong ganung segment.
Yes.
Kaya wag kayong mag-alala.
Yup. Sana
That's
po
it for today.
Okay.
Makinig pa kayo or
Makinig pa kayo
manood kayo
sa
sa
next
amin.
episode.
Yes.
Next episode natin, di pa...
Ay, pwede tayo mag-ano,
Ano ka-
parang kung may makikinig sa atin na ano,
Ah.
tapos kung may story sila, pwede nila i-ano.
Pwede din request.
Parang magkwento sila, ganon.
Pwede namin ano yung tawag doon?
Ano,
Pwede namin
mag-trauma dump kayo.
Pwede natin,
Oo, pwede.
pag meron kayong mga kwento, pwede yung isend sa amin. Tapos, through
Oo, may email.
email.
Ba,
Pwede.
Google
Para ano
Form,
tayo?
sabi.
Link the link below.
Subscribe. Hit the notification bell.
Thank you guys for listening and watching.
Okay. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening,
Bye.
Bye. See you next episode.
Okay.
Peace out.
Peace out, baby.
Peace
Bye.
out.